Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to give you a useful tip for Epson ink tank printer. So, to increase the life of your on-off button, what you have to do to increase the on-off button life. So, generally we used to on the printer, simply we press this power button, and off we have to, or we used to press this power button. So if you press a time to on, a time to off, every time if you want to on and off, you have to press 2 times a printer button. So if you regularly press this printer power button, the life of the power button will get decreased. To avoid such a conditions, what you have to do, once if you switch on this printer, don't switch off this printer using this power button. Instead of that, you generally used to connect your printer through power cable into your switchboard. There you will be having a switch. Simply switch off the button, and whenever you want to switch on the printer, simply if you want to switch on the plug point on off switch, the printer automatically will get on. Then you can give printout or take Xerox. After taking printout or Xerox, that is after completing your work, what you have to do, you have to switch off your printer using this using that power button, that is on off switch in switchboard. Don't use this button. So if you use this button limitedly, your printer will work perfectly without any problem. Please follow this method. This may be very useful for you. Thanking you.